You are going to love the 2018 Ford Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, auto-off headlights, power driver mirrors, power passenger mirrors, power brakes, heated seats. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.